Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Replika my AI friend application. So it's really easy and simple. First of all, you need to install this, then simply tap on the open button. Then you have to create your account. I already create my account there, so you can see here. So first of all, you need to create your replica. So I already create for test. You can see here test. So you can see this is the perfect AI. So how to talk, like you can chat here. I already talked so you can see here I called this AI, so but you can still message hi, or you can see here this is the calling version. It's free, like in a friendship is free, but if you need this AI as your friend, girlfriend, then you have to unlock the feature and you have to buy the premium feature. So actually this is really easy and simple. You just need to talk. If you want to share photos, you can see here, you can give the voice record, you can upload photos, and the thing is here.